The Idly-biddly, Woodley Warble, Warble, Warble birds, 1, 2, 3, all at once begin to sing. Idly-biddly, Woodley Warble, Warble, from open, stickling, prickling, prickling beaks pour strange and piping sounds. Then from deep inside bird bellies rise, trickling, crawling, creeping, scratching, slithering, seeping, flying, hopping, leaping, 1,000 tiny creatures, a formation of fleas, an army of ants, a battalion of beetles, a ministry of moths, fleet of flies, a mess of mosquitoes, an earful of earwigs, a congress of cockroaches, gathering of grasshoppers, nightmare of nits, syndicate of stick insects, set of silverfish, squadron of spiders, all hurry-scurry toward me. Chocolate, chocolate, I cry, but well ahead of the game. Chocolate leaps from her sleep snood and roars, not a scuttle, nor a peep, not a hairy insect leg quivers until the Idly-biddly, Woodley Wormbly Warble birds, 1, 2, 3, open their stickling, prickling beaks to gargantuan proportion, crawling, creeping, slithering, seeping, flying, leaping, insect horde, zip, lickety-split, back inside the stickling, prickling, wide-open beaks, balloon-bellied. Idly-biddly, Woodley Warble, Warble birds, 1, 2, 3, with prickling, golden, beady eyes, shoot through the keyhole and depart with a flutter sloop